Hello everyone and welcome to this week's Challenge Assembly. Now this week is a special week, particularly for me. This is our week of gratitude, and it's the week of gratitude because some of you know this, but some of you may not. But I'm American, and in the United States we celebrate Thanksgiving on the fourth Thursday of the month of November. This Thursday is the fourth Thursday in November, so it's Thanksgiving week. Now, Thanksgiving is a very special week, and it can be celebrated by everyone because it's not about gifts, it's not about presents, it's not about any of those things. It is about us being thankful for the things we have and the people that are in our lives. And during Week of Gratitude, that's exactly what we're going to be doing. Each day, our challenge is going to be a little bit different. In class, I am asking you to spend a few minutes to consider, to think about, to talk, to discuss things that you're thankful for, and each day has a different theme. Here they are. For the Week of Gratitude, we have Memory Monday, Thoughtful Tuesday, Whimsical Wednesday, Thankful Thursday, and Family Friday. On Memory Monday, you're to think and describe a good or happy memory. Really think about it. I'm sure you have loads, but just choose one and describe it about that good or very happy memory. On Tuesday, it's Thoughtful Tuesday. How have others been helpful to you? So I want you to think of what others have done for you and how grateful, how thankful you are for that. Discuss that with your family and friends in class. Whimsical Wednesday. What you need to do today is to describe a fun or a funny memory. There's so many things that we need to laugh about, and laughing makes us feel better, but it's also a fantastic way for us to be grateful and thankful for the fun things in our life. Thankful Thursday. I want you to think about this for a moment. What are you thankful for in your life? Let's try to focus on the people in our lives that we're thankful for. Maybe it's friends, maybe it's family. Think about it. Be thankful. And finally, we have Family Friday. I want you to think about and describe what is good and special about your family. Your family is special in so many ways, and you're so lucky to have them around you. So what makes them special? Think about it and describe it. Okay, everyone, so it is the Week of Gratitude, and each day the challenge is to be thankful for that theme of the day. Now, this is something you can do at home as well before you go to bed with your parents or your carers or your aunts or uncles or whoever is with you. Spend some time each day thinking about the things you're thankful for. I have a lot to be thankful for. I'm thankful for you and all the people in our school because y'all are all amazing people, and I enjoy working with all of you. Okay, everyone, let's get being grateful for all the things we do and have a really lovely week. Bye.